Today we're off to get a parts truck for my Yukon. Well, we got the parts truck unloaded, and Dane will give you a tour of the truck here.
Okay, so first of all, seat looks really bad, but really isn't that bad. It's just seat cover. Pretty good underneath there. And back here, we have a hard hat, a piece of something, another piece of something, that's pretty George, I think. And a glove, clutch, fixed.
Even though this truck has lower miles than my Yukon, the engine is completely shot and is unusable. The reason we bought this was for its transmission, which we were told has 2,000 miles on it. Plan is to use this for an auto to manual swap from my Yukon. Even though this truck has a pretty bad motor, everything else is there, making this a running and driving truck. Barely.